Why your stomach makes noise when you're hungry? Imagine you're in a quiet room. Everyone is silent. Then suddenly, grrr, your stomach just betrayed you. You think, I must be starving. But what if I told you that sound isn't your stomach crying for food? It's your digestive system cleaning itself. And what's happening inside you right now is way more intelligent than you think. First, let's clear something up. That stomach growling has a scientific name, borborygmi. It's not just random noise. It's the sound of movement, muscles squeezing, air shifting, and fluids being pushed through your digestive system. But here's the twist. It doesn't only happen when you're hungry. It just becomes louder when your stomach is empty. Why? Because there's nothing inside to absorb the sound. When food is present, it muffles the movement. When it's empty, everything echoes. Now here's where it gets interesting. When you haven't eaten for about 2 to 3 hours, your brain activates something called the Migrating Motor Complex. Think of it as your body's internal cleaning crew. Your brain sends signals down a nerve called the vagus nerve. That nerve connects your brain to your digestive organs. Once activated, wave-like muscle contractions begin in your stomach and move down through your small intestine. These waves sweep out leftover food particles, bacteria, excess mucus. It's like your body is saying, meal comes in, let's clear the hallway. And when these strong contractions squeeze air and liquid together, that's the growling sound. Here's something most people don't know. Your stomach always contains air, digestive fluids, small gas pockets. When the migrating motor complex contracts, it compresses those pockets. Air moves, fluid shifts, vibrations happen. And because your stomach is hollow at that moment, the sound amplifies. It's not hunger screaming, it's physics. Now let's be clear. Hunger and stomach growling are connected, but not in the way you think. When your stomach is empty,